We're back at the. It says ByteDance, right?
This one volcano engine.
Oh, that one says volcano engine. So nakabalik na tayo ulit dito sa ByteDance. Today's our last day. Tomorrow pabalik na. So today's our last productive day. Ito yung ByteDance office. So it's actually a very big, complex building. And yun lang. Again, tayo na naman yung Philippines. Ano ba sinasabi? Ito, Vietnamese. Johnny, you're Vietnamese, right?
Vietnamese.
I'm sending this to my friends.
Oh.
Say hello in Vietnam.
Xin chào.
Xin
Xin chào.
Xin chào. Xin chào. Okay, we're just waiting for the other people, like our group mates, and then we're gonna go inside.
More and more accurate. So that's the second. And the third is hardware. Mainly the AI assistant on the it's in a garden. And the question is a girl with who wear a red vest appear in this video. And you can see the process period is really fast, only cost less than 5 seconds. And the model will give you an answer that there's a stable, the camera movement is stable and natural, and all the background information has kept the same, the consistency very good. And for the text video, you can describe what you want in very detailed sentence. For this version, has a better instruction understanding capability. So this is for the sedan served. That's a lot of Chinese e-commerce customers have already tested this version and changed their open source self-developed model tool. The first candidate is prefix cache. When we use the large language model to do jobs such as information extraction, you may have a very long system prompt which contain all your rules to extract all the informations. With jobs, for every query you input in the API, the system prompt part is the same, but it's very long. So that means it will cost more token usage, and the time to first token will be very long. So to resolve this problem, we developed the prefix cache. You can cache all the stable part, especially the system prompt. When you use this, for the same part that has hit the cache, the list price will be 80% off. So it will be very cheap. And cache window, then move every 4K. In such kind of scenarios, you don't need to send all the chat histories into the API. You just send the session cache ID. So for all the cached part, you will, as we don't need to recalculate it, the list price for the hit part will always be the 8% off. It will be very cheap. This is the first capability we developed for the real-time interaction. It means the name is context cache. And for the offline data processing scenarios, we have batch solutions. That means you cannot get the feedback at the real time. We will give you the response when we have free reporting computing powers. We have two kinds of batch inference. The first is batch job. You can upload your data based on our template and start a batch processing job. we may give you the process result the day after 1 or 2 days, but the throughput is really high. Console. This tool have two typical functions. The first one is to generate structure prompt from a natural description. For example, if you want the model to translate the email, you can just enter a sentence that write me a prompt. I want to translate email from English to Chinese maybe, and the AI will generate a prompt based on your.
So first time ko makapasok sa ByteDance workplace. At bawat itong ginagawa ko, nagpa-vlog sa loob. Pero nasa ano lang naman ako eh. Nasa ano ba to? Parang breakout area nila. Tingnan niyo itsura. Siyempre hindi ko masyado pwede itutok. Yan o. Ito na lang muna ang mga experience nyo for now. Tapos maya maya sisitayin na ako. Yan na. So hopefully may nakita kayo sa maikling nag-vlog ako dito. Ito yung breakout area nila. Nasa Beijing, China pala ako, by the way. Okay.
It's gonna be minimal, right, as compared to using something that is proprietary. And then from the cloud native side of things, we have the serverless function service, API gateway, Kubernetes, and all this. I think those are really all the must-haves.
1, 2, 3.
Plus.
Okay, tapos na kami. 3 straight days of learning about BytePlus. Very exciting. Here already. Eugene, thank you so much.
Yes, this is it.
Hopefully, we'll see you again in the Philippines. You should see us. Yeah. Okay.
尾号0639，对他。
Nasaan tayo ngayon? Nasa...
Xinchahai.
O yun, nandun kami. Saan?
Xinchahai. You have to go that way, I think.
Mag-ikot kami dito. Ang ganda ng weather, oh. As in, maganda yung weather. Hindi mainit, hindi malamig. Talaga naka-t-shirt ang mga tao. Maganda rin yung panahon. Ito yung perfect time na mag-Beijing.
It's not the perfect time to be in Beijing. Siguro, we are 1 month late. Kasi kung spring dito, mas malamig.
1 month early.
1 month late. Kasi summer na eh. Dapat spring.
Mas maganda spring.
Spring is like, any water. Spring is better to go here. Kaya lang, wala ka naman pupuntahan dito for spring. Gusto mo next spring, mag-ano tayo? China? November, gusto mo?
Ayun, sana binili ko yung shades ko, Nicole.
Ano?
Kanina. May joke lang.
Yun o. May tubig.
Hindi ko nadala yung tripod.
This is the water.
Ito na, dinala na ako ni Nicole sa tubig. May mga kainan dyan. Shopping restaurant. Video lang konti. Pareho lang sa loob. Ganda ng mga lake nila. Okay, let's go. Taas pa yung araw eh.
Mga 7 pa nagsasunset. Ayun ang pagoda. Hindi ko alam kung saan pumupunta. I guess may mga kainan doon. May mga kainan doon.
wait.
Usap na kayo.
Hindi na, kinausap ko. Sandali. Ang ganda ng araw. Wala, puro sarado eh. Hindi ata dito eh. Nasaan ba tayo? Puro sarado, Nicole. Tsaka parang hindi ata, ano ata ito eh, lakaran naman. Doon pa ata yun sa kabila, tatawid na. Or at that side.
Hindi kasi accurate.
Nicole, may map na ako. Parang ganito sa Hangzhou. May maganda sila yung Hangzhou Lake. Pero mas maganda yung Hangzhou Lake. Kilala rin sa buong China, Hangzhou Lake. Before, pinadala ko na isa. Nung nasa New York pa siya. Tapos tumingin ako ng kung ano-ano lang sa Iwo. Andun yung mga nagpifish eh.
Ano, may nakita ka na? Hindi ko mga gamit yung Google Maps eh. Walang silbi.
Ito nga meron ng A-map.
Hindi ko lang alam kung saan tayo.
Video lang ako.
Okay.
Gusto ba mag-picture? O gusto mo mag-vlog lang?
Bahala ka. Ano gusto mo gawin?
Vlog.
Hindi mag-vlog ka.
Ito na, nagwa-vlog na. Okay, magsalita ka na.
Ano sasabihin?
Hello world.
Hello
vlog.
world. Hello vlog. Welcome to my
Ito na,
world.
lumabas na rin agad.
Oh. Then where do we
Ayun
go
na.
next?
We're just strolling around, enjoying the park.
Do we go there?
Ito, kung gusto maglakad pa, edi more of the water. Pag dito, more of the side street. Hindi, depende kung sandali. I-check ko na yung mapa. Tara. Hindi, mahirap maglakad kung hindi mo alam kung saan ka pupunta. Ito na, makikain na tayo dito. Wala, nakaubad eh. Upuan mo na. Ha? Hindi, alamin mo natin saan tayo punta. Kung lalakad ba tayo na. Ayan o. Malapit na kami sa main street.
Turn right, enter Gulo West Street.
Oh, ang dami na. Ayan o, may rickshaw. O gusto, patulang na ito, Nicole. Piling ko pare-pareho na yan. Hindi, fine. Sige, lakad tayo. Saan? Tatawid na kami ni Nicole. Ano yung mga puno dun. Tara! Walang stoplight eh. Ayun, 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 ayun. Sopa. Ito po si Chan Ma Chang Hutong. Hutong din to eh.
Ano sabihin ng Hutong Ali?
Ah,
Skinny.
okay dokes.
Meron ba dito?
Tiwala lang, besh. Tiwala ka lang.
Parang wala naglalakad.
Eh, ano tawag mo sa kanila? So, naglakad kami sa gitna ng mga state building. So, para siyang shortcut. May alleyway. Pero wala ng mga pagkakainan,
Yan, saan tayo?
mga establishments.
Dead end na yan, no?
Nagre-reklamo yun nasa likod ko. Ay, maniwala. Dito na tayo. Linis din eh. Linis tsaka tahimik. Dun. Nakita mo yung puno na yon. Dun sa may puno. Okay. Isa mo. Mag-iba identity mo.
Anong yes sa ano?
有没有饭？哦，白饭。
白饭咱没有点，
哦，没有点。
对，咱要起鸡吧。
rice?
Ikaw naman. Ikaw. Yours. We're good.
You want rice?
We just ate. Okay na ito on the rice.
打一碗米饭，9号打碗米饭。
哦，这个有 order，有 order。